Welcome to the dynamic world of Alaska Café. Join us as we uncover the secrets to crafting the perfect brew as we go through the setup process. To set up your Alaska Café machine correctly, the process must be managed by a trained installation engineer. Install the water jar. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes for bubbles to stop rising in the jar. Now plug in the machine. Turn on the switch behind the front door. The machine will display less hot 48 degrees Celsius. The machine will not dispense till such time that the right temperature is reached. Thereafter, automatic flushing takes place from all the lanes. This process ensures that internal cleaning has been done. Wait for this to change to select your choice before dispensing. Rotate the canister elbow in upward position. Fill the canisters with the correct ingredients and return them to the correct position. Rotate the canister elbow in the downward position to dispense powder in the mixing set. To dispense a beverage, press the button for the required beverage and remember to throw away the first cup when you first use the machine.